Hello, my name is Dr. Malkin with the Chiropractic Orthopedic Clinic right here in Torrance, California. In the old days, many patients were afraid of chiropractic adjustments because they were too rough. Today, I only use gentle chiropractic techniques. You do not have to hear your bones rattle. You do not have to hear your bones pop and crack. The purpose of the chiropractic adjustment is to free the nerves. Gentle spinal adjustments relieve pressure and free the spinal nerves to allow them to function at their optimum level. Accidents, falls, strains, or too much exertion can result in minor displacements of the spinal vertebrae. These irritations cause malfunctions in your body. With gentle spinal adjustments, I can alleviate the irritation to your spinal nerves and reestablish normal spinal mobility. I treat many older patients with serious conditions such as arthritis and osteoporosis with great results. My gentle treatment will help restore that delicate balance in your body too. I would like to offer you a free, no obligation consultation to determine if my gentle chiropractic adjustments will benefit you. Please call me at 310-212-7233 to schedule your free appointment.